In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use shaders in Minecraft Pocket Edition. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Keep in mind that while it is possible for you to have shaders in Minecraft Pocket Edition, as you can clearly see on this gameplay that I'm recording here, you will have to go through various steps, and keep in mind that if you don't have a strong enough device, the game is going to perform very poorly, so you will not get a lot of frames per second, and often the game will stutter, just like you can see on screen. However, I'm still gonna go over all of the steps, and I'm gonna teach you what you have to do to get shaders working in the latest version of Minecraft Pocket Edition. So the first requirement is going to be having access to the Minecraft beta. As you can see, if you go over to the Play Store or the App Store, I am doing this process on Android, but it should also work for iOS, you will be able to go into the Minecraft page and apply to be a beta tester. It's not hard at all. All that you have to do is scroll down until you find beta tester, and in here you choose the option to join. When you open the game, you will have this very clear indication that it is the beta. And now you need to download a specific pack or resource pack to use within Minecraft beta. You will need to download Prisma Deferred. You can simply look for this on Google, and once you find Prisma Deferred, you will be able to download and use this resource pack. So just go over to either mcpedl.com or any other website where you can download this deferred pack, and once you download the deferred Prisma pack, you will be able to use it. So after you download it, you will receive a file like this, Prisma Deferred version.zip. You have to rename this file and change it to .mcpack. Once you tap to open this mcpack file, you will be able to open it with Minecraft. Now we are almost done. Now that you have opened that file with Minecraft, which means that the resource pack is now installed, you will need to create a new world. In here, you will have to go over to the Experiments tab, and you need to make sure that Render Dragon features for creators is enabled. This is by far the most important one. You can enable the other ones here just to make sure, but Render Dragon is the one that we're looking for. Once this is done, go over to Resource Packs, make sure that you see Prisma Deferred here and that you activate the pack. Now, create the world, wait for it to load, and once you are in, there is only one last step that we have to do once we go over to the video settings. So, if you notice that it takes a while to load in, it's actually because the shaders have already loaded. So as you can clearly see, the game is stuttering, but once I do load in, I'll be able to show you that the shaders are set up. I actually spawned underwater, which is very unlucky, but you can clearly notice that the shaders are here and they are beautiful. Now, if they don't work right away for you, open the settings of the game, go over to the video category, scroll all the way down, and make sure that under graphics mode, you select Deferred Technical Preview. Now, you can lower some settings accordingly to get better performance. As you can see, I'm going to lower everything to low, and the game is still going to look very nice. So this is all you have to do. Immediately upon doing all of this, shaders should work, and you can change the graphics quality accordingly. I hope I was able to help you on how to use shaders in Minecraft Pocket Edition. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.